Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Assistant app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Assistant, you should just go to settings as you see and you click here. In this page you will enter two apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to Google Assistant. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. See you next time in another